Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School, welcomes you all for today's maths class. As in our previous lecture, we have learned addition. Addition means to put things together. Addition means combining. Addition means joining. Addition means more. Addition means collect. Now, in our today's class, we are going to learn subtraction. Subtraction means to take away or to remove. It is represented by minus sign. The number always decreases or becomes less than the previous number. We will revise one more time. Subtraction means take away. When things are taken away, we call it subtraction. The sign of subtraction is minus. There are two methods of doing subtraction. They are subtraction by horizontal method and subtraction by vertical method. All of you take out page number 32 of your textbook. Now look at page number 32. Let us learn subtraction. We will learn through story. Look at the first picture. Yash had 3 jamuns. He gave 2 jamuns to Rama. How many jamuns does he have now? Out of 3, 2 are cut. So how many is left? 1. Right. It means you all know the subtraction, right? Very good. Look at the second picture. Did you all observe this picture? 5 frogs were on river bank. One frog jumped into water. Count how many frogs are on the river bank now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 1 jumped. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Very good, all of you. Now go to page number 33. In our first picture, what you can see? You have to make a story from the picture. Yes. What will be your story? Yes. There are 4 eggs. One egg is hatched. How many eggs are left now? What will be your answer? Yes, it's 3. Very nice. Now observe the second picture. Now, what will be your story? Try. Okay. There are 6 tiles kept upon each other. The boy hits the pyramid of the tiles and 3 tiles fell down. Now how many left upon one another? Yes, 3 are left upon one another. I think you must have playing this game, right? It's called Lagori. Very nice. Now look at the third picture and observe the balloons properly. There are few words given which are used for subtraction like spent, given, subtracted, flew away, left, decreased, taken away, remained, etc. Taking away a smaller number from a bigger number is called subtraction. It is shown by small sign, that is dash, and read as minus. Let's see some examples. There are 5 flowers with Rima. She gives away 2 flowers to Sham. How many flowers are left with her? Yes, it's 3 flowers. Very nice. Out of 4 leaves, if you take away 2, how many leaves are left? Yes, it's 2 leaves are left. There are 3 butterflies on the flowers. If all the 3 flew away, what is left? Yes, no butterflies. That is 0. Right? Very nice, all of you. Good attempt. All are trying to answer. Very nice. Aman has 3 pens. If he gives away 1 pen to Kaya, now how many pens Aman have? Yes, 2 pens are left with him. There are 5 frogs. If 2 jumps in the pond, we have 3 frogs left behind. There are 6 jugs. If 4 jugs break, we have 2 jugs left with us. Now we'll see the next example. What is it? Yes, there are 5 apples and Lena eats 1. Now how many apples are left? Yes, 4 apples are left. I hope you are understanding it, right? Let's revise with few more examples. Rohan had 4 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4. He gave 2 of his to his friend. 1 and 2. So how many pears will be left with Rohan? 4 minus 2, that is 1 and 2. 2 pears left. Now see the next example. Out of 3 monkeys, 1 monkey fell down. How many monkeys left? Out of 3, 1 monkey fell down. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Total is 2. 2 monkeys are left. One more example. There are 6 puppies. 4 more puppies ran away. How many puppies are left? So out of 6, when 4 ran away, how many will be left? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Very correct. I know you all are enjoying learning subtraction. Now let's visit the game zone. Can you see the balloons? Yes, there are 9 balloons to shot. How many? The boy shooted 5 balloons. So how many balloons are left? Guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are cut. Right? 5 are shooted. Now how many is left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 balloons are left. Very nice. Good. In subtraction, we have the questions like how many are left? What remains at the end? This is called subtraction. Let's learn to read the subtraction sum using the subtraction sign, that is minus. The sign is called minus. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Good. Look at the toy picker. Come, let's pick some toys. There are 7 toys in the toy picker. We picked up 1 and 2 toys. How many toys are left in the toy picker? There were 7 toys. Now cross out 1 and 2 which we picked. Let's count the toys left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we say there are 5 toys left in the toy picker now. Now let's play bowling game. There are 6 pins, right? Let's throw the ball. Oh, 3 pins fell down. How many pins are left? 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 pins are left on the floor. Now let's check this example. There are 2 ways to write subtraction, horizontal and vertical. See, there are 5 books on the table. 2 books are taken away from 5 books. So how many left? Yes, we have 3 books remaining. We will write this as 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. See the next example. There are 6 cups in the tray. 4 cups were taken away. How many left? Yes, 2 cups remain. We write this as 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now see the next example. There are 3 girls going to school. 2 went. How many left? Yes, 1 is left. We will write it as 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. There are 5 tweeties. 2 flew away. How many left? Yes, 3 remains. We will write it as 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. There are 8 mangoes. If you ate 3, how many will be left? 1, 2, 3 has been eaten. So how many left? 5. Yes, 5 will left behind. You will write it as 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. There are 3 aeroplanes. 1, 2, 3. Out of which 2 flew away. Then how many left? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is left. There are 4 insects. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 flew away. So how many left now? 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Now go to page number 34. Observe the pictures and fill in the boxes. First observe the smiley balls. 1, 2, 3. Out of the 3, 1 has been cut. How many is left? 1 and 2 are left. Go to the second picture. Stars. Count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 stars, out of which 2 has been cut. How many is left? Right. 2 stars are left. Go to the third picture. There are triangles drawn. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Out of which 2 has been cut. So how many is left? Count. 1, 2 and 3. 3 are left. Go to the next picture. There are square boxes. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. Out of which 2 has been cut. How many is left? The 1 is left. Now you will practice page number 32, 33 and 34 at your home. I hope you all must have understood subtraction means minus, right? It means cutting the smaller number from the bigger number. Subtraction means to take away or to remove. It is represented by minus sign. Remember children, the number always decreases or becomes less than the previous number in subtraction. And I hope you must have understood it, how to write it, right? So try it at your home. The remaining part of the lesson will be continued in our part 2. We'll also complete page number 39 and 40 from our maths practice book. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.